Assalamu alaikum. You are listening Muhammad Hashmi and welcome to MH Computer Academy. If you are facing a problem that is related to keyboard which is typing wrong character, then in this video we will fix it. First, I am going to show you the error that comes in your keyboard, and I will try to type Pakistan Zindabad and you will see the error, which type of error comes, and this will show error like that. So here you can see that I am typing on the keyboard Pakistan Zindabad, so this is typing something like that. So what is its solution? So I will told you about this solution. So you have to just type, you have to just press a button, you have to just press a button that is a NumLock. NumLock is a button, and if you will press on it, and your problem will be 100% fixed. So just you have to click on the button NumLock and your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video has really helped you, and when you will press this button, and then your problem will be fixed. And thanks for watching video, and keep supporting us, and don't